Hello everyone, I'm Rosemary and welcome to my channel. So for today I'm making this potato recipe with veggies and eggs. Yes, my veggies are just the leek, spring onion, little carrot, one tomato, and yellow and red bell pepper. Now I've just sliced my leeks, my spring onion, I've grated my carrots, and then I'm going to slice my tomatoes. Once the veggies are sliced, I'm going to grate my potatoes. I grated my potatoes, I didn't slice them. So now I just add water, cold water, to rinse the starch from the potatoes. After doing this, the next thing I'll just add salt to taste to my potato. Yes, you can decide to add other things, but just salt is enough. Once I've added my salt, I'll mix that together and put aside. Then the next thing, I'll just add my veggies to my bowl. After that, the next thing is just to add my eggs, salt, and then mix together. Now I'm just adding my eggs. I didn't really get the footage properly, but that is my eggs I'm adding already. After adding the eggs, I added a pinch of salt to taste, and then I just mixed that. Once it is properly mixed, the next thing is to go on to cook this. Now I just put on my gas to a low flame, then I added a teaspoon of butter to my pan. Let that come together. Let it coat the pan properly so your potatoes does not stick to the pan. Once it is properly melted and the oil is coated, next I will add my potato. While adding the potatoes, make sure not to add the extra water in the plate. After doing that, the next thing is to spread the potatoes all over the pan. Make sure to coat the bottom of the pan properly with the potato. This is to make it cook faster. Remember, this dish is supposed to be very fast, and yes, it is super fast if you want to make this. As you can see, I'm just coating the pan with the potatoes so it can cook faster. After doing this properly, I'll cover it for about 1 minute, and then after a minute, you can see the steam has cooked the potatoes. It is almost done, but then I'll just add another teaspoon of veggie oil. This is to make it fry. After adding the oil, I'll just cover again and then open after another few seconds, and then I'll stir that together. As you can see, the potato is looking brown and beautiful. It is fried already. Now I'll just remove that from the pan, put it in my plate, clean my pan, and then the next thing is to fry the eggs. Now add your eggs to the pan, spread it properly. Once it is properly spreaded, I'll add my potatoes on top of this. When adding the potatoes, make sure for it to coat properly, let it coat the top of the eggs properly. Once you've added all the potatoes, the next thing is to add the remaining eggs, and then you cover for this to cook. I'm just adding the leftover eggs now. Once the eggs are added on top of the potatoes, the next thing is just cover the pan. After about a minute, just open your pan. Check that the potatoes are not sticking to the bottom of the pan, and then you turn over with the cover. After turning over, you gently put it back the other side. You gently put the other side back into the pan, and then just leave for another 30 seconds and your potatoes are ready. Sorry about that, I've got more veggies than eggs, hence the reason for those veggies pulling out, but it's not so bad. It is still delicious. It's about 30 seconds already, and I'll just remove this from the gas. My potato dish is ready. Now, as you can see, our potato dish is ready. This is very quick and easy to prepare. If you're looking for quick and easy recipes that you can make while washing your weight, while you're planning to lose fat, this is one great recipe. As you can see, this is a very good and complete diet with lots of veggies and the protein, which is the egg. So try to make this. You'll love it. You will enjoy it as well. If you love this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I post another fast and easy recipe. Thank you so much for watching. God bless and take care. Bye.